like that, we are back on the road. Lake Murray bound, stop number 3, Bassmaster Elite Series coming up. The next few weeks are going to be awesome. I know there's going to be a lot of good fish catches, a lot of big bags, a lot of big weight, big fish being caught between the entire swing. We have Lake Murray, Santa Cooper, and Lay Lake, 3 Elite Series events in a 4-week period. It's a lot of action coming, and there's going to be a lot of fish catching going on, and I'm looking forward, and I'm hoping to be a part of every one of them. And all right, back at the house after day 1. Got some dinner cooking up. You can have some of this.
Okay. Ooh,
fogging it up. Guy pulls out food as I'm cooking in a giant pan. Like I'm gonna eat that whole thing myself. Are you kidding me? Doing some ground turkey, some peppers, onions. Mix a little teriyaki sauce, do it over some rice. It's gonna taste good. But little recap of the day. So how'd it go for you?
Sausage sticks. Interesting. Fish are shallow. Secondary, main points. Yeah, got them on a drop shot. So I caught fish today.
On a drop shot. I'm gonna follow him. But for me, it's a little different. It was an interesting day for sure.
Fast one.
Got off to a pretty good start in the first hour or 2. Caught some fish. Found 1 or 2 schools, but nothing crazy. And then just did a little bit of 1 here, 1 there after that. And then around like 11:30, my trolling motor ended up, something broke on it. So fortunately no one was here yet to help repair it, and I kind of was forced to just do whatever I had in front of me. So what I did was just pulled up to a point, floated across top of it, and it's really difficult when you're dealing with 25-mile-an-hour winds. I basically made maybe 5 to 8 casts on a point. I'd start on the front deck, make 2 casts, end up on the back deck, make 4 to 5 more. Then if I didn't get a bite, just roll on the next one, because I had no idea even if there was good structure below me or even if there was fish, because I couldn't even drop my trolling motor to see anything on the live scope, see anything on the 2D, nothing. So I went old school and had a few bites doing it, which is kind of cool. But ended up getting the trolling motor all fixed back up around 5. Had 2 more hours on the water with the trolling motor, which was good. I think I caught only like 2 after that, but that's it for today, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully nothing breaks or goes wrong. Decent day, but same thing as yesterday, tough again. Had about, I don't know, probably right around 19 pounds, but it's hard to get a bite. But when you do get them to fire, you get a couple bites. They're big ones, so just gonna, I guess, keep looking. Probably gonna look a little bit more tomorrow for some bedfish as a backup, because the point fish, the herring fish, if they don't fire, I got no backup plan. That's all I got. It's basically a hero or zero type of pattern. Like, it's a very risky thing, but I do feel like it's a way to get, you know, a chance to essentially win the tournament and, you know, make the final day. I think bed fishing is not my strength, so trying to avoid it as much as I possibly can, but I do need to at least have a couple fish that I can go to if I need to catch one or two more or anything like that. So definitely going to be looking for a few on bed tomorrow, in addition to point hopping and whatnot. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what tomorrow brings. It's supposed to be an even better and warmer day, so I'm looking forward to it.
Through school?
No. Need to land it right there.
Oh, yeah, come on. All right. What's that? Well, you'll never know. Unless you catch him, it's got your hook in it. It has happened before. Which side you gonna go, you know?
Your side. I think it's that big, so I'm not
Not bad.
Ain't no weight in it. Here, I need hook.
These gonna be 2
No, I mean my other rig.
211. Oh, you mean
Let's see. Nah, he ain't 211. 2.5. I was bracing myself for hook set because I thought it was going to be a big pullback.
you got number 2. That jaw's up about 3/4.
Everyone counts. I'll take it because we don't have 5.
I'm gonna say 3 minutes.
I might agree with you on that.
On that zone. Yo.
Got 5.
Oh, yeah.
You hold my hand.
I didn't know what she was
Shake
doing.
my hand when there's a 6-pounder. How about that?
I was worried about the doggone what being an asshole and not dog. I've already told my wife.
Pay me for it.
He ain't 6.
No, I said he ain't 4. I said you could shake my hand when I get a 4. 314. You got a limit.
He's really not 4.
Really not 4. Man, I told you they must have moved over there.
What time is it? You know? 9:17. Give me
Alright.
what it was. 4 what? 3 what?
314. Now it starts to get fun. We get a little relaxed. Now they're in trouble.
Shit. Wrong way. You know, Jack,
Let me see. What'd you put in?
hit 14, but it went 15.
Cancel. Catfish. 3.
Boy, I'm 60 out there. You don't catch more than one.
Small. God, I love this lake.
I would too. You know I'm gonna fish it though. Beautiful bass. Beautiful.
So you just add another fish, it'll automatically call for me. Two 210. What's up? No. Yeah, there you go. That's good. Just like that. That says a lot right there. My starting spot that I started on, there was a boat on it both times I pulled into it, and luckily they let me fish with them, but they were kind of sitting on where the fish were, so it didn't really do me a whole lot. Had to kind of just sit there, and actually I really didn't sit there and wait. I did a circle around it and tried to push the herring back up. It worked for 1 2-pound bite.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did a hot lap?
I laughed around it, and then my marshal asked me like 1,800 questions of why I just did that.
Yeah, don't worry about it, bud.
But yeah, Maddie had fun out there today. I had a frustrating day for a lot of,
Dude,
you know,
he's
for some other
bro.
reasons. I caught some fish, had a good bag, sitting in a decent spot, but
Marshall was a nightmare.
oh, I was frustrated out there. I broke some fish off. there were some nightmare moments
You
on
wanted
top
to
of
break
that.
more than just fish off.
So I kept my cool though.
I'm happy that you didn't end up punching out someone on the back of your boat.
I almost punched myself out.
I'm proud of you.
I almost broke my leg down when hook set. I set the hook and I stepped on one of my carpet decals.
Oh god, slid.
Talk about a split V.
I messed my back up. My
Mhm.
lower back is sore right now.
And you don't think of it because, like, you're not standing. Like, you are, but you aren't. But, like, I got one in the dead center of my big compartment. But when I take, like, a step back, sometimes I catch it. And I think it was just wet from, like, landing a striper or something on top of it.
Oh.
Mm-mm.
Oh.
No bueno. Stripers, no bueno. We don't want any of them tomorrow. I rolled into one of my main areas today, my starting spot. And there were stripers on it, which I have not seen in the 2 days that I checked it in practice, so that's great. Not really, it actually sucks. When you catch a striper, it takes like 5 minutes to get it off. Like, I was actually landing a striper, and my marshal makes a comment, and he goes, "Did you get it yet?" And I'm like, "No, I'm still on the side of the boat. I can't get it."
Did you get it yet?
Like, I swear to God, I might have touched the thing like 10 times before I finally, like, grabbed it. Like, I just couldn't because I'd go to touch it, and it would flip, and it would spike me. And then I would try to belly it, and it would flip and spike me, like, in the forearm. And then I'd finally get it, like, on top, and it would spike me again in, like, the palm. So I'm like, oh, this dumb fish.
Stripers, bro.
But it was on light line, so like, I didn't want to flip it and break my line and have to sit there and retie the thing, which might have been faster than trying to grab the thing.
Either way,
day one. That's a wrap.
you freaking crushed it. Be
Need
proud
to
of
do
yourself.
Need to do it again tomorrow.
You need to do it again tomorrow. Actually, you don't, like, honestly, I think if you come in with like 16 pounds tomorrow, you're fine.
I would be sweating my butt
You'd be
off
sweating. I
with
need
only
18.
16.
I need 18.
If I can eclipse 17, I think I could feel good. But in order to eclipse the 17, I do believe you need at least 1 to 2 4-pound bites. And that was hard today. Like, I expected to get bigger bites. I only had 2 full-on 4-pound fish, which I just expected to get a little bit bigger if I did get a big bite. Like, I was expecting at least a 5 or a 5.5, and that didn't happen. Tomorrow's a new day. Hopefully we put at least 2 of them in the boat over 5 pounds to make up for not having one today.
And I hope Maddie catches 20 pounds.
And I hope Maddie catches 20 pounds. We both get to fish on day 3 together. No, I don't weigh until 4, so the third group. Jonathan Kelly. Thank you, I appreciate it. Better than I expected when he came up.
Yeah, he's a good one.
I thought they were little ones that came up.
Yeah, when they busted there the first time, I could tell it was a largemouth.
312. Come here, yes!
Oh, dude. You ain't lying, dude.
Big one. Yeah! Let's go. Calling the shot, seeing them. I knew there had to be one there on the jig. 505. Heck yeah.
Nice.
That's what we're talking about right there. I thought it was only a 2-pounder.
That's a nice one.
The high two. I'll take it. Working on them. Slow and steady.
Take a little nap there for a second.
That's funny, I left here yesterday with 2.5. I was like, yeah, I don't need that one. I'm glad I left it though, you know?
Yeah, that was probably ended up being a smart decision.
Working on it.
I thought Scott's head was going to explode yesterday. Oh, nice.
But that's 10 grand. Live to fight another day. Got him.
Well done, man. Well done. That's a good one, man.
Yeah, not bad. High 2. $212. Yeah, it says 18.
There it is. 212. That's good fish. Solid bag.
3 and 5 and the little guys. We got 5.
7.
I didn't think I'd be able to make the jump, to be honest.
No, you get him now. I like to put the big one in the bottom of the bag so he gets the most water on him. Yeah, you know now. They ain't the biggest, but they count.
I want to get one.
This one right here is 10 grand.
You know what 10 grand does?
What's it do?
Pays off a ring.
I'm in deep shit, huh?
When she said our boys were making it for us, I said, Riley, I think ring's paid off. Huh?
What's on them? Pretty good.
I think you guys are all.
Like how big?
I think probably what you did, like 17.
Now.
I think you just had a call out. We were hoping you did.
Now?
Yeah, you need help with anything?
No, I appreciate it. Nice
Job
to meet
today,
you.
man.
Thank you.
I'll text you about sending you any pictures and videos.
Okay, awesome. Good morning. I forgot about you guys last night, but we actually really didn't forget. It was just a really long night. Had to get some service work done. since we had to drive up to where the service yard is, get the work done on my motor. Just a minor thing, just had a random alarm going off, and it was a simple fix. Just honestly had to cut a zip tie and slide a little cover back up on the sensor to prevent the alarm from going off.
Alarms are bad.
So, you know, that I gotta be safe. Rather have to worry about it than on day 3 morning. So I went last night after we got off the water, and then since we were up there, we ended up going for dinner. So we didn't get back till like 8 o'clock, and still had to rig up some stuff, and didn't get really in the house until about 9. So that's why we're doing this now. So a little day 2 recap, but day 3 preview. You know what that means. We're both awake. We're fishing today.
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. We made it. We totally.
Boys sacked him up yesterday on the rig.
On the rig and a few other things. And if you guys want to take a look at how I caught them, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel and let you in on little secrets. But yeah, it was a super fun day. Caught a bunch of fish, and hopefully we can just do it again today. Hopefully Johnny and I both sack them up.
Yeah, my day yesterday was a little bit different. It was a grind, but I made the right decisions. I made the perfect decisions. I caught 2 big fish earlier in the day, looked at my Marshall and said, you can literally go catch 3 fish off the bed and make day 3 and take a $10,000 check. And that's exactly what we did. It was dead flat calm. Went and caught 3 off the bed pretty quick for bed fish that are not easy to catch. Took about a little over an hour. And then went back out on the point, started doing the herring stuff, and only had 2 1.5 pound bites from 12 to 4. So obviously I made the right decision. I filled my limit out, weighed in a 18-pound bag again, and we're sitting in 25th going into the final day. Only like 3.5 pounds out of the top 10, so it's possible.
Oh yeah.
So we'll see what happens. Today's a new day.
Let's do it.
Let's go.